Hey, what's up guys? This is Gerard, back to you with another video on taxation. In this video, I'm going to talk about how BIR selects taxpayers for tax audit. So a tax audit is to determine the accuracy of a return in relation to tax liability or repayment. It may also identify any additional liabilities and payment of interest, surcharge, or penalties. For the BIR to carry out a proper tax audit, it prescribes policies, guidelines, and procedures to be observed in an audit or investigation. That is why the Bureau has what we call BIR Audit Program. This particular program enhances taxpayers' voluntary compliance by encouraging the correct payment of internal revenue taxes through the exercise of the enforcement function. Now, in general, all taxpayers are possible candidates for tax audit. This is thoroughly discussed in Revenue Memorandum Order 19-2015. Now, to cover such investigation or audit, there should be an issued ELA or Electronic Letter of Authority. An Electronic Letter of Authority or ELA gives the power to a revenue officer to perform tax audit. Now, if you're interested, you can watch my further discussions on ELA in this video right here. The audit or investigation shall include but not limited to the following cases. Number 1, mandatory cases such as taxpayers with claims for tax refunds from income tax, VAT, excise tax, erroneous or double payment of taxes, and for taxpayers' tax credit certificates. Mandatory cases may also include applying for cessation of business and dissidents with existing business at the time of death. The second one is priority taxpayers or industries such as those listed in RMO 19-2015. The last one is other priority audits that may be identified by the regional director, assistant commissioner, or large taxpayer services. All in all, there are 32 items under policies and procedures of RMO 19-2015. Now, to name a few, as a general policy, the simultaneous investigation of all liabilities of the taxpayer shall be followed. 1 electronic letter of authority shall be issued for each taxable year or period to include all internal revenue tax liabilities of the taxpayer, except when a specific tax type had been previously examined, such as audit of VAT under VAT Audit Program and VAT arising from claim of tax refund or credit. Next would be the BIR may assign more than one revenue officer to conduct the audit. All the names of the revenue officer must be indicated in the electronic letter of authority. Another one is the revenue officer assigned to the case shall present or serve the electronic letter of authority to the taxpayer or his representative. Take note that in case the ELA could not be served personally, it shall be served either by substituted service or a registered mail. In case the taxpayer is chosen for a tax audit, the taxpayer will find out upon the service of the electronic letter of authority along with the list of audit requirements. Of course, the taxpayer can always DIY the tax audit, but in case they are not adept, they can always hire someone like a tax practitioner who is duly accredited by the BIR. And that's it. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. As always, a huge thanks for watching. If you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos like this. So this is Gerard. Have a great day.